Hey, I'm Mike Gannon from Service Aquatics in the Pond Hunter video series. We're here at a new pond installation we put in. I wanted to show you guys around a little bit. So let's go take a look. This pond's about 850 gallons. It took us 2 days to put the entire project together, from the excavation to getting everything installed, up and running. We used moss rock in here, which is a really nice type of stone to use in any type of water feature. It really lends itself to waterfalls really well. Some of the features that we have in here, of course, is the skimmer box and biofalls filtration system, a submersible lighting system where we have lights actually underneath the main waterfall itself, and in the little area we have a little waterfall light tucked underneath there too, and two in the main body of the pond. So it's really well illuminated at night. This pond is set off from the house a little bit, so we need that extra illumination going on. We have a two-tier waterfall. This pond customer wanted a curtain effect for water, so we have almost a 2-foot drop coming down of just a sheer curtain of water coming into the pond. It's not cascaded over rockwork or anything. And what's nice about that, especially for a pond that's offset a little bit, is it really reflects light very well. You get a lot of sparkling on sunny days, so light is kind of sparkling off that, and you get a really great view from the patio area, which is located over there at the house. It's a big piece of moss rock we used here. Moss rock tends to have a very weathered look to it, which is nice. It gives a feeling to these ponds of really being kind of old and being around for a bit. What we did here was wove colonial wall stone in and out of moss rock. The two really mixed well together. Moss rock's an interesting stone. It has a really nice texture to it. It's very craggy. It's called moss rock, but yet ironically I've installed literally tons and tons of moss rock, and it doesn't seem to grow moss better than any other type of stone. But it looks great. Here's some moss rock with a little bit of moss. It's really got to have these very humid, wet conditions, practically right in the stream where this moss can wick up water. Otherwise, we don't get, unfortunately, too much other growth on the moss rock, but it's just a great looking piece of stone. Very craggy, really, really nice. Anytime we're building a pond, one of our big challenges is to really blend it into the existing landscape that our customers already have. So he had a very well landscaped area back here, lots of plantings that have already taken root. So to get the pond in here was a challenge, making it look like it's just always been here. It came out really nice. It really complements the existing landscape very well. And I hope you guys are enjoying this pond as much as our customer is. Okay, so that was today's pond tour. Hope you guys like that pond. Really nice pond. Not too overstated, not too understated. Great addition to kind of a far off area in the backyard. Well, we're gonna head out. We'll show you some more pond videos a little bit later. But thanks for sticking around. Remember to visit us at fullserviceaquatics.com or loveyourpond.com and watch the rest of the videos in the Pond Hunter video series.